Hello everyone, my name is Raveen and today I'll show you how to deploy SQL Server reporting system reports to Report Manager and how to configure server settings. So first of all, we will open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and then we have to create few databases. As you can see, I have already created many databases, and to create a new database, right click on database and then go to new database, and the new database will created. So now as I uh, as I have to use this star database, and it has many tables, as you can see. First of all, I have to give a user login, and for that go to security, then logins, and there are many users, and this is Raveen is the user to whom I have given access to all the databases. Now we will have to create a report, and create a report to any of the table available in the star database. Then we will open Visual Studio and then creating a new reporting system by clicking on here, then go to new and then go to project and go to reporting services. So initially this page will be this page will be empty probably because we have to but so what we have to do is we have to go to the solution explorer, and then we will create new report, right click on it, then add new report, and then click on next, and give the report name, give the we can first cancel it, and then give the report name, then the report we are creating, but on what data set, right? So we are providing the data source here, and what data source, like this this star data source, on which this one. So I will give Raveen ID, password, credentials for like this one data source. I will give Raveen ID, password, credentials, and which data I want to access. I have already done that. Now we have to create some charts, and for that we have to go to the toolbox, and here go to chart, and you can drag and drop any of the chart you want. For example, I drag this bar chart, and another chart you can see over on the right side. So you can drag and drop any of the chart you want to drag. So if I want to visualize this table, how will it look? So first of all, I created this user sale ID, product ID, and amount. Then I created a bar chart of customer ID and amount, and I create one more chart as you can see on the right side. So now click on the preview. So I had already done that, and this is how our chart will look like. So now we have to deploy a report, and for that we will have to open a software called Report Configuration Server, as I already opened it. As a, and so we have to click on the like we have to click on the start, and then click on database, and you can also change the database and providing IP password. Again, in below we are providing a SQL server account, and for me the account for that account username is Raveen, and then put password. After starting it, give it will give two links. First link is this one, and if we click the link, it will the initially it will be empty because no report will be has been deployed. So in order to deploy it, we'll go to the Visual Studio and go to this Visual Studio, and then click on Start, and then you can see the report will be deployed. So the report will be deployed. Then so we will click this Start button, and it will show that the report has been deployed. So if I want to visualize the report, go to the web portal URL and click on this link. It will take some time because of some different laptop configuration. Wait for a while. So here you can see that whatever data sources and report I have done on Solution Explorer, so those will shown here. Let's see if the report is deployed or not. Click on report. Oh, click on report, and you can see that the report is deployed and report has been deployed. So talking about the security of these things, we can provide a security feature to the report. So click on these three dots, and then go to manage, then go to security, go to manage, and then go to security. Initially the admin can do anything with the report like delete or create. So I want to give access to someone for like for example for any country. If there are developers or clients cannot delete a report. Client can only visualize it. So I can provide group name and username and one username. So I can give any access to a particular user. So this is what security means in SQL reporting system. So I showed you the security for one report, but we can also provide security for the whole folder also. So, for example, for a school, if there are teachers, a particular teacher can only access a particular subject folder, not the other subject for portal. So, this is how the access is given. And for example, this is whole folder, and we click on this. Go to manage, same thing, and then go to security, and we can give any access to any user or like any we can give them any of the access to delete or to create a report. So this is everything about creating a report and to deploying it and how to providing security. So that's it.